Well, I don't know, how could I know what lies ahead of me?
Say you're watching me when we're with our friends. It's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there, 'cause I know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow, grow, grow? I think it's time we stop tipping on our toes. What's holding you back now, sugar? 'Cause I don't know, sure know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it, why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away, no. Grow, 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 grow. It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away. Oh, make you move before someone takes your place. I know how you feel, but you're scared to say to my face. I sure know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it? Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away. Grow, 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 grow. It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away. Yeah. Make you move before someone takes your place. I see you watching me when we're with our friends. There's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there. So let's take it from there. Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? And I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? I know you want it. Afraid to let it show. You need it, baby.
Well, hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, is a what we eat in a day type of video. We have already done our breakfast. It was a nice little beautiful avocado toast with some egg. It is one of our staples here in the house. You can make sandwiches, and now it is time to start lunch. So for lunch, we're gonna be doing a fish. We're gonna do a mahi mahi, and it's gonna be kind of like a Mexican seasoned type of fish. And we're going to add a little bit of brown rice as well as a side of avocado salad. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
Caught in every moment, I see the sun on your face. Hope your eyes keep going. I love you more than words could say. There's nothing you could do to stop my heart for you. Just keep your head up high. Yeah. Hold your head up high.
For my fish, I'm gonna be using the mahi mahi fillets. These are from Walmart. They're wild caught, so that is very important. And they come individually packaged like so. You open it up and place it in your pan. These are frozen, but remember, I can cook frozen to finish in my cookware. If you do need to thaw it out, thaw it out. The main seasoning here, I will say, makes a huge difference, and it's this Badia Sazon Tropical. You can find this at Walmart, Publix, I've seen it at. Go online, see where they sell it. It has no MSG, and it has such a heavy Latin flavor without being too strong or salty. It's one of my favorites if I'm craving that like Latin seasoning. You know what I mean? I don't like using Goya. They're a little too processed, and this is the next best thing. We're also gonna use a little bit of the Pace Chunky Salsa. They have the medium, mild, hot, choose your liking. Oh my goodness. I find that the medium is sometimes too hot for me. And well, my kids don't eat spicy, so I'm going to use just a mild. And 1 onion and some peppers. Yeah? Oh no, there's no more? It's all done? Of course they want snacks right before food. Don't you me?
Seeing your tears, I'm hearing your cries, but know that I'll never leave your side, even in the change. I won't walk away. I promise I'll stay. I promise I'll stay. Yeah. I'll never leave, you know. I'll never leave, you know that I'll never leave your side. I'll never leave, you know. I'll never leave, you know that I'll never leave your side. No.
Fish is officially cooking, and now it's time to wake up my little one. We have the hatch sleep out in the rooms. Hello. So we've been having this issue where my little one likes to wake up multiple times at night, and the doctor basically told us that her naps need to be shortened to 1 hour a day. So I have to turn off the sound machine so that she wakes up on her own without being grumpy. She'll like kind of roll around a little bit, but it's easier than me like walking into the room and her being really upset. So it's not ideal. I only have like 1 hour now of me time throughout the day, which is kind of wild, but it has to be done because we have not been sleeping at night, and it has been torture. For some reason, everyone's just like deciding to wake up in the middle of the night. Like my oldest, my middle, and my youngest. 3, 5, 7. Just boom, all waking up. Sometimes even at 1 o'clock in the morning. So this is a good thing. So I am going to go get her. She's starting to get up now, and then we're going to work on the salad. And it's gonna be a really simple avocado salad. I don't have any limes. Usually I add a little bit of lime, but it's all right. You know, salt and pepper will do for this salad.
Some people have written books, some have a great look that covers the magazines for kids who are 17. But I don't know what to do, staring into the blue sky and just waiting for a sign. Some, they are certain of what awaits them when it all...
So I found a little bit of lemon. Lime is much better in this salad, but I'm just gonna add like a few drops to help the avocado from turning brown. So that's a little secret. And I'm just gonna mix this up. I know we ate avocado for breakfast. We don't usually eat this much avocado, but sometimes we have a whole bunch of avocados that are due at the same time, and we have to finish them. And that was the case today, so I need to get through. The rest I'm gonna actually put in the fridge.
Faith into someone who's half their age, reading from a torn out page from a book filled with lies. But I don't know what to do. I'm staring into the blue sky and just waiting for a sign. Some, they are certain of what awaits them when it all ends, but I don't.
All right, take a look. It is so juicy. Now to top it off, you can add cheddar cheese if you want, and add it to my bowl right on top to give it a little bit of flavor.
How could I know what lies ahead of me? Am I part of a grander master plan? Will I be washed away like lines in the sand? don't know what will happen to me. Will I be remembered in this century? Or will I be forgotten like dust in the wind? Or the talk of the town that we are living in? I don't know what will happen to me. Will I be remembered in this century? Or will I be forgotten like dust in the wind? Or the talk of the town that we are living in? Well, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. How could I know what lies ahead of me? Am I part of a grander master plan?
I totally did not film making these sandwiches because it is chaos. I will say one of the key ingredients, as you can hear right now, is sourdough bread from Aldi's. This is really, really good. I need to learn how to make the sourdough bread, but for today, we buy it. We have our soup that my kids absolutely love. I will leave a link right over here somewhere so that you can check out how I make that. We had some leftovers. I happened to just bust it out and add a little bit of pasta because as you can see, they are very hungry, very tired, and sometimes this is just the deal with dinner. So if you guys notice, woohoo, we have some grilled cheese sandwiches with chunks of ham inside, and that is going to be dinner. This is the reality. I wish I would have filmed making these sandwiches, but they're hungry. But before I go, I want to show you guys what they look like.